Do you struggle with your dog never staying in their command? Let's go back to the basics and I'll show you how to build up duration. Without saying anything, I first do several reps of the position. Using a treat, I'll guide them. Once they're in the position I want, I give them the treat. Now, once they understand the position, I add in the command. I treat in position and I add my release command. I say break and I'll toss the cookie to get them out of that position. I phase out of this step really quickly. Now you build up their duration while in that command and you treat them after you say break. That part's really important.